Today, we'll take a tour of Universal Studios Hollywood. It's a chance to reconnect with our inner child, to feel the joy of being carefree and unencumbered, if only for a few moments, no matter what might be happening in our complicated adult lives. We begin at the park's newest attraction. Step through a bright green warp pipe, and suddenly we're inside Super Nintendo World. Look around. Does it feel like you're inside a living, breathing video game? What childhood memories does this setting bring back? Now, let's head inside Bowser's castle. He's been fortifying his defenses, today, he challenges us to a kart race. Pick out your favorite racing suit and get ready to go. Back outside, we get one last chance to embody the world of the game. There's Princess Peach. With that, we warp to an entirely different location. The rooftops are snow-capped, the air filled with the scent of sweet, curious candies. We're in Hogsmeade Village. We sample a chocolate frog and sip a frothy butterbeer. At the station, a train whistle calls. The Hogwarts Express is ready. Let's visit Hogwarts Castle. Make your way to the Sorting Hat. We step into Dumbledore's study, wander through enchanted classrooms, and brave the haunted hallways where the portraits whisper and watch.
Frosties and stomachs on time, and watch this.
Outside, Hagrid's hut sits quietly beside a roaring roller coaster. Suddenly, the streets change again, and we're in Springfield. Say hello to some of the colorful locals. We pop into the Kwik-E-Mart, stroll past Moe's Bar, Springfield Elementary, and Duff Gardens. Everywhere we turn, the cartoon has come to life. More adventures await us. roaring dinosaurs in Jurassic Park, towering transformers,
Well, a boy's best friend is his mother, I suppose.
the dark mysteries of ancient Egypt where the mummy's tomb lies in wait, and even eerie encounters with Beetlejuice.
You look better. I'm the movie star. Nobody cares about you two. Yeah.
At its heart, Universal is a movie studio with a rich history. Its sets are like a playground for the imagination. Let yours wander. Climb aboard the famous Studio Tour tram. The scenery shifts before our eyes. Bustling city streets, small town squares, rural villages, dusty Wild West towns. Spooky haunts, disaster zones, and crash sites unfold. They may only be sets, but they feel real. Proof of the magic movies can conjure in our minds. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you've enjoyed these moments of freedom and wonder. If you'd like to explore more adventures with us, please consider subscribing.